Hey everybody, thank you so much for checking out today's unboxing video. Before we get started, I want to give a huge shout out to Stan Banks of T-Shirt Side Hustle. I have watched a number of your videos, Stan, about heat pressing, best strategies to move forward. And even though we've never met, I just want to say thank you for providing the tutorials. It really has helped me a lot to make a purchasing decision. And for that, I want to also thank HeatPressNation for having the heat presses available that I believe will help me to push my business forward as I seek to do well and do good at the same time. So huge shout outs to Stan Banks of T-Shirt Side Hustle as well as HeatPressNation. All right, so I've ordered my HeatPressNation CraftPro. It has come in via delivery and I'm super excited about it. So let's get to the unboxing without further delay. All right, so I've got a utility knife here. Just gonna work towards popping this open here. All right, so far so good. No immediate tears. Guess I should be cutting away. All right, so the first thing that I noticed when I open up is we've got a rectangular topping with wood. So I'm sure that this serves a purpose. So we're just gonna set this over here to the side. I'm sure I'll be able to use that someday very soon, right? Just want to give you a sneak peek inside the box. We do have some literature from HeatPressNation. This is the user's guide. I'm sure this will come in extremely handy as we get this process rolling along. Very colorful, and I'm sure this will make great usage. Satisfaction guarantee is always a huge plus. Yeah, so thank you. All right, let's get to the unboxing. We've got some huge styrofoam pieces here on the left and right sides of the box. You want to just take a peek inside. Wow, this box is heavy. So if you could take a peek there, this is what the inside of the box looks like. All right, another huge piece of styrofoam that makes for safe deliveries. All right, now we have the heat press already. All right, it is a huge device and kind of heavy at the same time, but let's get to it. Am I struggling? All right, got a styrofoam still intact just in case we ever decide to do some on-the-go screen printing, or heat pressing, I should say. Let's get this other piece of styrofoam out. Now, our styrofoam has been removed. Now let's try to go ahead and pull this heat press out. I may have to stand up and maneuver it out. We've got another piece of wood on the bottom, so that may be what is causing it to be extremely heavy. All right, so let's get to it. Let's open this up. All right, here we go. On three, we're gonna lift on three. 1, 2, 3, lift. Wow. And so here we have the CraftPro heat press, 15 by 15. And let's take this saran wrap off. All right. Okay, so let's flip the blocks around. That may help to serve as a small table. So give me just a moment here. Now we're back. I had to flip my box over. I don't really have a table just yet set up that will be used as a mobile or permanent stand for the heat press. But I will say this is not light. It is heavy, but we're gonna make it work. And so I'm super excited to be doing this unboxing video. Hopefully this won't be my last as we unroll this project out. So got the plastic unwrapping here. It's definitely covered so that we don't have any type of issues. All right, so we've got our plugs here that is wrapped up. Super excited about being able to get some juice to this bad boy. All right, let's go ahead and take off the zip tie. All right, now that's off. Let's see if there's anything else that may be preventing it from actually opening, and that would be a no. So just like that, we've got our heat press already open. I'm super looking forward to it. Just want to talk a little bit about how and why I decided to go with this particular heat press. In the last episode that you just saw, I gave a huge overview of my experience working with a screen press. It did not go very well for me. I know that there are tons of people who use the same screen press. Saw the YouTube videos, it went extremely well for them, but my experience wasn't the best, so I decided to, after months of just doing some research and assessing things, that I was just going to go in a totally different direction and focus my energy for the remainder of this year and even for the next few months in 2020 on actually doing something different by way of heat press. So here it is. This is a 15 by 15 CraftPro. And I'm super excited because one of the things that I wanted to be able to do, I had heard stories about people getting heat burn while dealing with the different presses. I wanted something that actually slid out so that I would not necessarily have to be directly up on the heat press like that. And so we've got a nice pad here. I think it's going to go extremely well. But again, a 15 by 15 from HeatPressNation CraftPro. Thank you, HeatPressNation, but especially thank you to Stan Banks for just sharing some very quality videos on how to move the process forward. And I don't have a whole lot of advice to share other than that this is my experience, and I hope to be able to provide other videos in the very near future as we seek to build out Robinson Excel. So if you have a moment, go to robinsonexcel.com. I'll probably try to either leave a link down below or up here, robinsonexcel.com. I look forward to talking to you very, very soon. And if you have any experience when working with the Heat Press Nation CraftPro 15 by 15, leave a comment below. Don't hesitate. I would love to have your advice. And also, click that subscribe button. We're looking to do great things through this channel as we seek to build out this business to do well and do good at the same time. Talk to you real soon.